Cybertruck FSD prevented a Toyota from getting T-boned. After the FSD release, the software has prevented many similar kind of accidents. The Cybertruck was cruising on the road when an impatient lady in a Toyota decided to barge in, suddenly taking a left turn. Luckily, the FSD saw this happening quickly and braked at the right time, preventing an accident. Fortunately for the Tesla owner, said he did not require any manual intervention in this case, as the software stopped the truck in time. While critics would probably note that FSD maneuver was something any alert driver could perform, it would be difficult to deny the fact that the advanced driver assist system benefited the owner in this particular situation. That extra layer of safety, at least in some instances, can make a true difference when it comes to avoiding accidents on the road.